There you go.
No.
No, no, no.
Come back here.
Come back here, David.
Be good.
David, be quiet.
Be food.
Don't play with your food. That's enough, David.
Go to your room.
Go to your room.
Settle down.
Settle down.
Ash.
Stop that this instant. Put your toys away. Quietly, Baba. Not in the house, David. I said no, David. Davy, come here.
Yes, I love you.
Yes, David, I love you. Can you say all done?
It's by Nathan and Minerva and Dylan and Minerva. We would like to give you a show next time. Bye.
Dylan, all done. There he goes again.
We are all done.
Say hi, Oma.
Hi, Elmo.
Say hi.
Hi, Elmo.
Say hi, Granny.
Hi, Didi.
Say
Hi,
hi.
Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa. Hi, Dean.
Hi, Dean. What about hi, Nessa?
Hi, Nina. Hi, Dean.
And hi, Lundy.
Hi, Daddy.
And hi, Donnie.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Dean. Hi.
Okay, say bye-bye, say night-night.
Bye-bye, Nana.
I love you.
Dad.
Are you